This is what I've been working on, and the reason why I haven't put out any videos lately. I've been really... Oh boy. This one is... No, wrong way. That's the operating key. Okay. Let's see, I think this is the control key. There we go. And it has two shear lines for the operating key and one shear line for the control key. This is tricky. And it's been taking up all my time. No security pins in it. Just about, let's see, 3 sets of 7, so that's 21 pins in there you gotta worry about. And this is my lock. I can still pick this one, maybe. Let's see. Let's see, right pick, right tensioner. Okay. That lock has got me shook. Okay, I can still pick this one. But this one's got a bodacious spring in it, much like the 1100. But it's a master lock with a best core. It's 6841. Anybody know anything about this one? Give me a yell, please. That's all for now. Live stream later on with my son, Skip Jr. Be sure and catch it.